Welcome back to PFDAuto. Today, we're going to be working on the hood. Got to get the rest of this hood pad off of here, get the rest of this junk off of here, so we can do some painting, get the new hood pad put back on. So what I'm starting with today is just some 80 grit sandpaper on a palm sander. See how it works. Now I've got some 220 and I'm gonna go around the painted parts. I used 80 on this, which I think was a little much. Definitely got through the primer, but we're gonna hit it with a little primer anyway, so not too big of a deal. But we need to get the rest of this kind of cleaned up and all of this scuffed up. All right, so looking pretty good. Got as cleaned up as it's going to get, honestly. It's going to have a hood pad over it. It's going to get some paint, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Just has to be nicer than it was. And in all honesty, it already is. So I'm going to wash this up and then wipe it down. And we're going to spray around the edges with some self-etching primer before I paint. And then we're going to spray all the spots where I got down to metal too, because that foam pad isn't going to keep water from getting on this. And I don't want it to rust underneath the pad. All primed up, ready for some paint. Didn't figure you'd want to watch me paint more stuff. I've already painted so many things on this channel. But I wanted to show you how it looks before I throw some color on it. Didn't go too crazy. This is a single coat of etching primer. I just wanted to make sure that all the spots that had gotten down to metal were painted over so it doesn't get rusty. Now I'm going to throw some color on here just around the edges because I'm going to put foam over the rest of the top of everything, and no point in painting it. Well, it's been about a week since I painted this hood. Not super excited about looking at the other side just yet. It's done in quite a rush, so don't be surprised if it doesn't look spectacular. But I've got all the hinges and I believe all the hardware sitting right there in front of you that I need to get this nice new hood pad on. I even got factory one. Wasn't too much. Came with the headlight seals, all that kind of stuff, so I highly suggest just paying up for the good one. Anyways, let's get started. So this is what we got going. I went ahead and painted all the hinge hardware black because that matches nothing. And I've got these here that I didn't paint at all, but we'll call that a tribute to the original color. Now what I need to find is the backer pieces. I believe this is a shim. And right now, I only can find one of these. But I think there was something that went into the fender that's kind of used as a washer. I'm not sure. We might just have to use some nuts and some big old washers and maybe some lock washers. But I'm going to dig around. We'll figure that out. Before we get these on, though, I do think I want to start getting this hood pad on. I bought some Gorilla Glue adhesive. I'm really hoping it doesn't eat this foam, because it is just foam on both sides. Might just spray the hood and set it on there and see how it goes. Anyways, we'll get that on. I'll show you that, and then we'll start figuring out how we're going to reattach these hinges. So, turns out it's not the worst thing I ever painted. Did have some issues like here where I laid down some cardboard and it stuck to it. There's also some little imperfections. Another spot where the cardboard stuck, where I rubbed off some of the paint. Also a big old scratch. Not quite sure how I did that. But for the most part, it's looking okay. You can see here where I touched it before it was dry. Not spectacular. Got a little run and some cracking here. But I'm not totally mad at it. Gonna look a lot better than it would have if I left it alone. I can come back in here and sand these off and clean them up, but I'm not going to do that for now. Again, progress over perfection. That's where we need to be with this build at this point. So, let's see what the hood pad looks like on here. Alright, so I just want to test fit this guy real quick. See how it's going to go on here before I try to do any gluing. It looks like it tucks all the way back under this bar. I was not anticipating that. And it goes underneath these guys. Interesting. This might be hard to do. Let's take a look at this and see what we got here. These holes all line up pretty well. I guess that doesn't. I'm not sure what this hole's all about. These ones I get. These all look good. Not sure what this hole is. That one kind of lines up. Interesting. But you see back here, it does not get back into the corner. It goes underneath the rail in the middle, but leaves those edges out, which I don't particularly like. I'm glad I painted that far in. So here's what I've decided. This section up here, this is going to be the hardest to do. So I'm going to do it first. I'm going to spray some of the metal over here, but not all of it, because there's all these holes that I don't want to see glue on. And then let it dry, stick it down. I do have a couple of these pins, and I'm going to use that as a locator and see if this even works. So now I'm going to let this sit for a minute or two until it gets tacky. And we're going to flip it back over. Try to set it down on here exactly where it needs to be. And then use some of these little clips I have to hold it in place. If that works, we'll just flip the whole thing over this way, start spraying it and laying it down. Well, it's kind of sticking down, tearing up the paint. We're in it this far. We're just gonna go for it. Now we wait and see. Does it stick? Does it peel back off? I don't even think it's the right hood pad. But we're gonna run it as long as it doesn't fall off. It's a new day here at the PFDAuto Fab Shop. Today, we're going to be making those brackets. I lost whatever bracket connects this to the car. I'm not even sure what it looks like. I've seen some online, but I don't ever remember seeing those. Instead of getting just some giant washers, trying to deal with them individually, my plan is I'm going to cut up this piece of strap I bought. It is just, what is this, 12 gauge? I'm going to chop it down to the right length. I'm going to drill some holes in it. I'm going to paint it for posterity to make sure it doesn't rust. And then we're going to use this as a giant washer. All right, well, after a few hours of cutting and painting brackets, and surprisingly, they fit on the hinges. I tested it in the car. Bolts are even long enough. Found some hardware. Fits on here, so you know what that means. It's time to get the hood on. See if I can do it by myself. Got it off by myself, but who knows? First part of getting this hood on is getting these hinges back in. You can see these little holes here. Squares, though. Not sure why. These holes line up with those squares. And this is how it looks when the hood's closed. So now, I'm going to get my bracket, go into the fender liner, bolt these up. Well, now you can see, these aren't really moving around. I don't have anything tight at this point because I'm not sure where it actually belongs. It's hot. But we're going to do the other side, then we'll bring the hood out, see if we can't get it lined up. Well, that was easy. Now the fun part. What I've got here is a bag of goodies. What I don't have is an idea of where they all go. I know there's pins in here that need to be in the hood. So we're going to just try to figure it out. I mean, what do we got to lose? Well, I'm going for it. Not quite sure how I'm going to get that one in. There it is. Hood pad. Hood. Installed. Banged everything up trying to put it in by myself. And I have the wrong hood pad. If you have a 91 hood on a 92 car, you can't get the hood pad that covers the top and looks all nice. You have to get one that fits inside, covers up those corners. But that one's on there, and it's going to stay. Well, there you have it. hood pad. I even got this guy installed. Now, my hinges, I'm sure, are not right. We're just going to see where all this hits. Ooh, this new shock's got a lot of tension on it. Well, that lines up pretty nice. This is crooked, but lines up fairly nice. That corner's a little bit out of square. This is a little bit low, but I can work with that. Holds itself up. Undo the hook. Service position. Not mad at it. That's going to bring us to the end of this episode. We finally succeeded at doing something. It's the wrong hood pad, but it's installed. The hood's installed, and I only lost a little bit of blood. So I'm going to call that a win. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, you want to talk about the hood pad, you want to talk about how I shouldn't have painted everything and then done it by myself, let me know down below. Love to hear from you. Anyways, you keep watching them. I'll keep making them. And we'll see you next time on PFDAuto.